Good day. I am from Globalace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive hereby data
Yes,
from
ma'am.
Bright Star Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Okay, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Okay, ma'am. I understand.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
I have mom, sister.
Do you know which place she were designated or she was
I don't
designated?
know ma'am, where. No, ma'am.
You don't know. Okay, so are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body? Are you healthy?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, because if you are unwell and if
Okay,
you
because
have
if you are
something in your
unwell and
body, better stay in the Philippines, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be
it's recorded
uploaded in our
and it will
YouTube
be
channel, but at the
uploaded in our
same
YouTube
time,
channel, but
your
at the same
profile will be
time, the
uploaded in our
profile will be
website. Do you
uploaded in
agree?
our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am. I agree.
Okay, so uh, do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Good day, sir, madam. I'm Rochelle Ramos. I'm 36 years old. I have three kids and my husband, 37 years old. I'm a hardworking. I want to learn washing, cooking Chinese food, ironing clothes, washing clothes. I'm a hardworking.
Okay, so I need to know some few more details from you, Richelle. You are married, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
When is your birthday?
July 26, 1988, ma'am.
What is your height and your weight?
5'2", ma'am.
What about your weight?
60, ma'am.
60. What is your religion?
Catholic, ma'am.
What is your educational background?
Third year high school only.
Okay. So you mentioned that you got three children, right?
Yes, ma'am.
How old are those children?
First, ma'am, 18. Second, 17. And then third, 6, ma'am.
Okay. Is this your first time working abroad?
No, ma'am. I'm ex-abroad.
Ex abroad. So is your family
Yes,
allow
ma'am.
you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Who will going to take care of your children once you come to work here?
My husband, ma'am, and my parents.
What is his occupation? You mentioned that he is 37 years old. What is his occupation?
Me, ma'am,
No, your husband.
I construction worker, ma'am.
Okay, so you mentioned also that this is not your first time working abroad. In which country did you work?
Qatar and Saudi Arabia, ma'am.
Qatar. How many years you work in Qatar?
2 years, ma'am.
What year did you started and what year did you finish there?
2012, ma'am, to 2015.
So you worked there for 3 years?
I 15, ma'am, I forgot.
2012 to 2014. You work, is it? For 2 years.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So can you share it with me? What are your duties in Qatar?
Ironing clothes, washing clothes, cooking, cleaning, take care of children, ma'am.
How old is the children that you take care?
10 years old, 6 years old, and then 2 years old, ma'am.
So you take care of 3 children in Qatar, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you alone inside the house or there is another helper?
Have another helper, ma'am.
Okay, but you do this thing like you do house chores, cooking, laundry, ironing, and you also take your children.
Yes, ma'am.
After that, you work in Saudi.
Yes, ma'am.
How many years you work there?
2 years, ma'am.
You finish your contract also?
Yes, ma'am.
What year did you started and what year did you finish working there?
Uh, 2014 to 16, ma'am.
Okay. What are your what is your job responsibilities there?
Cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, ironing clothes. Have my madam there, ma'am, have business.
Okay. Did you take your children there? No?
No, ma'am. But because the only one children.
Oh. After 2016, did you have any working experience?
I have, ma'am. I have working in Qatar on again.
In Qatar. How many years you work in Qatar there?
1 year in 8 months, ma'am.
Why you didn't finish your contract?
Because have problem, ma'am. My madam,
Okay. So your employer, are you the one terminate your contract or your employer?
me madam.
Okay. What year did
Because
you started working there?
uh, September 25, 2022, ma'am.
Until?
Until July July 25, ma'am, 2023.
Okay. What is your job responsibilities there to your previous employer in Qatar?
Washing clothes, cooking, ironing clothes, take care of children, ma'am.
How old are those children that you take care?
20, 15, 10, ma'am.
Okay, so you only have 4 months left, but you terminate your contract. So what kind of
Yes,
problem is
ma'am.
that?
Problem, ma'am, is my madam
Too much what?
too much noisy.
Oh, okay. So but you terminate your contract after that. So after this 2023, you've been a full-time mother, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so being an OFW is not new for you. You need to be flexible, you need to be multitasking, right? So are you ready for any
Yes, ma'am.
task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay to take care of children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care of elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am. I want to learn cook in Chinese food.
Okay, can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay to take care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
So you will going to sign a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Breaching of contract or terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. Using of mobile
Yes,
headphone, you
ma'am.
are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you can hold it during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to
Yes,
have a
ma'am.
rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. But if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with the rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we don't force people to come here. As long as you are agreed, then we don't have problem. If you disagree, better stay in the Philippines. Okay, so you don't give us problem also.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Always remind yourself in Philippines you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. You need to follow the rules and regulations because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer, yeah?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so my last question is, normally, how do you handle your homesickness?
Yes, ma'am.
How do you handle your homesickness? Like, for example, if you miss your family.
I focus more on working, ma'am.
You focus on working. Okay, I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Rachel. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay? Thank you so much and have a good
Okay, ma'am.
day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.